Yeah, good day everyone. We have a question before us, and this is one of the questions from the just concluded NECO exam, mathematics. Now let us go straight to the question. The question says, Emeka and Bimbo ages were added up to be 28 years. Yeah, their ages were added up to be 28 years. 5 years ago, Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo. 5 years ago, Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo. Find their present ages respectively. Now, their ages, if added up, will give us 28. Then 5 years ago, Emeka was twice as old as what? Bimbo. That is, 5 years ago, Emeka senior Bimbo 2 times. Now, let's go straight to that thing. I just placed that one in pidgin anyway. Now, let's go straight to the solution. Emeka's age, let's name it X. Bimbo's age, let's name it Y. Okay? Now, let's go down to the first sentence. Add the ages add up. That is X plus Y. That equals to what? 48, because the statement says if you add the age, it's going to give us 28 years. Now, 5 years ago, they were telling about something that happened to their age 5 years ago, or something that's really part of their age 5 years ago. 5 years ago, if we are talking about ago means something past. If I tell you that you are 10 years ago, it means I have to, if you want to know that, if I said now, presently, if I say presently, for example, if I say presently you are 15 years, and I tell you that 5 years ago, what are you? It means I just need to remove that 5 years from the present age, 15. It will give us 10. So that's the same thing. If this X and Y happen to be their present age, and if we are talking about 5 years ago, we just remove those 5 years. So this will be assumed as their ages 5 years ago. Now, if the question now said Emeka age is twice Bimbo own, so what it means that this is Emeka own. So for it to be equal, it has to means that it must be twice Bimbo own. That is 2 times Bimbo own. That is then that you can have them equal, because this is an equal sign. So that is then you can equate them to be equal. So then from this statement now, you will now find the value of what, and we will now form, because you have called this addition first, equation 1. From this one now, you need to find the second equation. Now you open the bracket here, you have 2 times y, 2y, 2 times minus 5, we have minus 10. Then we now bring those with letters to this side. We have s already here. If these 2y come here, it's going to be what? Minus 2y. Then this 5 is coming here, will be plus 2y. Then you interact with this one. We have minus 10 plus 5 will give us minus 5. Then we now have our equation 2. Then when we now have simultaneous equation, 2 equations, so we need to solve it simultaneously. Then, as I always say, I always love to solve my question, because it will be very fast if I use that method, elimination method. Now, what I will just do is that since I have s here, I have s here, it means they can cut each other away. And the only way they can cut each other away is to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That's why I write this here. We are going to take away this from this. So it means this minus this. So it's going to cut each other. Then that's why I put slash on them. Then if you go here, you have plus y minus this. You know, there is an existing minus. Then these 2y have minus again. So the minus times minus will be plus. So you have y minus 2y. So minus times minus will be plus. So this will be plus 2y. It will not be plus y. It will not be plus y plus 2y will give us plus 3y. Then to this place, you have 28 minus 5. That minus 5 will be plus 5. You now have 28 plus 5, we have 33. So we now have 3y equals to what? 33. Then we divide both sides by 3. We are going to have 3 will go here, we have y. Then 3 divided by 33, we have 11. For us to get, and this y now is whose age? That is Bimbo's age. Bimbo is 11 years now. Let us go and find Emeka's age. We will now substitute for y to be 11 in equation, any of the equation. I took equation 1. So this is equation 1, x plus y equals 28. I will bring this y here. So it's plus here, it's going to be minus here. Then I will now put the value of y, which is 11 here. So you have 28 minus 11, s will be equals to what? 17. So Emeka's age is 17 years, while Bimbo's age is 11 years. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yakub Okpe. Thank you. Bye-bye.